Hi guys, presenting to you UST Recluse Cup 7 Tumashan High School and Intercollegiate Alumni Golf Tournament held at Forest Hills Golf and Country Club, Antipolo City for the benefit of UST athletes.
Mabuhay ang atletang Tomasino!
Go, Che!
Par!
Wow! Good shot!
Nice shot. Go. Go.
Nice spot. Second. Stop.
Sobra.
Nagpas ka pa ng...
So, ulit eh.
Safe!
Safe.
Sakto lang, sir. Sakto lang. Uy! Good shot!
Pray with me the 13th century Dominican blessing.
Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. Mahalagang kumain kayo ng mabuti dahil lahat kayo alam ko pagod. Kaya magiging maikli lang ang aking mensahe para sa araw na ito.
89! Palakpakan natin si Architect! 89!
Pino ko sa si Pino, ha?
Oh.
Breakfast may uniform. Breakfast pa lang may uniform na.
Oh. Sa breakfast pa lang, may uniform. Sa laro, may uniform.
Oh, palit-palit.
Ngayon, may uniform. Nakatatlo kayo? The host for next year.
Pharmacy.
The College of Pharmacy. Dr. J.R. Suwan. J.R.
Marami rin yung pharmacy. Sumami rin yan.
J.R. ilan kayo nung una? Sa East 7? Dalawa? Dalawa, ilan na kayo ngayon? 39.
So my page for all the support. Thank you to very Reverend Father Richard Ampopay.
Boys and Philippines Incorporated.
We have Pick Up Coffee.
Pick Up Coffee.
Ayun. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. We pick up the ball. That hole you sponsored, we pick up the ball. Not good.
Dahil Pick Up Coffee.
RCBC Tivo Business Center.
We have Prime Power Energy Systems Incorporated.
Gino Systems Corporation.
Axel Peak Logistics Solutions Incorporated.
Commerce Asia Incorporated.
Prestige Golf Access and Club Shares.
OBAC Solutions Corporations. Kay
Parang
Panginoon.
nila itong OVAC Solutions. AKB General Merchandise.
Alam mo partner ni OBAC Solutions? Ay Tona Problems. Ay Tona Problems.
Bagay na bagay.
Kaya magkasundo yung
Kaya
dalawa eh.
lang sila eh.
Ay Tona Problems, OBAC Solutions. Ganda. Ganda ng kombinasyon. Sa Tona Problems. Ay Tona Problems.
I'm here not in my capacity as Dean or Dean of the College of Science or as a faculty member, but I've been appointed as faculty advisor of our UST Golf Club. So for the first tournaments organized by Pilipinas Collegiate Golf. And I'd like to introduce the members of the team.
We are humbly asking for your support.
Okay, we now go to the awards. may we request our Reverend Father Rector Richard Ang to be up on stage.
And our host, of course.
And our first, we will award from the Guest and Sponsors Division, Santi Verceles. Ladies Division, runner-up in the Niklos course, Jess Lido. Guest Division, Niklos course, Aldrin Alcantara.
Yes, Palmer course.
Victor Villaroman. Ito, Victor. Guest sponsor. O, kapatid mo. Sige. Joanna Pintoy in the guest sponsor division, Palmer course. Sponsor Palmer course, Robert Divina. Sana si May. Mayong.
And our champion for the ladies division, Niklos course. Okay, thank you, mate. Our champion, my friend, Patricia Gizon.
Palmer course, Class C. Class C with 1 eagle. Net 35. All the way from Cagayan de Oro, Carlo Antonio Romero, College of Pharmacy. Oy, JR! Nagre-recruit na.
So yung first runner-up, tayo sila ng second runner-up, sila 35 points.
Pareho silang 35 points, but the first runner-up has 2 eagles.
Yeah.
2 eagles. Oscar Salamea, Palmer.
Ako parang naka-1 mile.
Eagle to mga to.
Eagle eh, ako mile. 37 points.
37 points, Class C, Palmer course. OJ Matias.
Okay.
First time?
First time nga.
First time ka, huwag ka nang sumali next year.
36 points. Bigat ang lahat nito. 1 eagle, 2 birdies, 11 par.
Raymond Casipit. Ano si Raymond? Wow! 1 eagle, 2 birdies, 11 pars.
Ngayon, yung first runner-up, gano'n naman yung tiebreaker para sa akin. Okay, champion Class C, Niklos course.
1 eagle, 4 birdies. Net 36. Ronald Bayran. Ronald, saan si Ronald? Accountancy.
10 points, 10 pars. Engineering to ba rin?
Engineering ba yan?
Ivan Buenaventura. Espino. Class B champion. First runner, Elmer Espino. Class B champion. Engineering na naman tayo.
Okay.
Sunday Sayo. Class B champion, Palmer course.
Congratulations.
Niklos. 1 eagle, 3 birdies, Manuel Ferreira. 1 eagle, 1 net birdie, Siriaco Manalanzan.
Second runner-up.
Class B champion.
Class B, Class B champion.
Parang. Wala, ginulo kami dito siya.
Siriaco Manalanzan, ang tawag na, no? Siriaco Manalanzan, okay na? Class B champion, Jose Joel Ekdardan.
Yun!
Champion Class B. Niklos course.
Oh! Pharmacy!
Congratulations, sir. Congratulations.
Second runner-up. 36 points, Liberties, Charlie Corpus.
Charlie Corpus. Nasa si Charlie? Anong team, Charlie? Civil. Palmer Course, Class A. Jose Antonio Narciso. Pharmacy na naman.
Mukhang talagang JR, ha? Iba na yung group name mo ngayon.
JR. Saan mo pinagdadagpo ko mga to?
And for the champion, Class A, Palmer Course, we have Mark Lamberto Reyes.
Yay! Pharmacy! 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 Pharmacy!
5 birdies. Nice, Mark. Huh? Congrats, partner.
Congratulations, Mark Lamberto Reyes. Okay. We now go to the Class A of the Nicholas Course. Second runner-up goes to Bienvenido Guevara. High School, College of High School. Men's Division Nicholas Course, we have Tino Lee.
AB na naman.
Men's Division of the Nicholas Course, we have Romel Ramos.
Romel Ramos.
Magaling na naman ito si Romo. College of Science. Busnet for the Palmer Course, net of 72.
Palmer Course.
Gilberto Abuan.
Gilbert Abuan, Medicine.
Gilbert
Abuan, Medicine.
Alam ko, parang masina naman eh. Iba yung nagtitinyan mo eh. Isiyaw eh.
Lowest net.
Lowest net, Gilberto Abuan. Palmer Course, a score of gross of 76. Ben Baniel.
High school.
College of High School. Graduating na. Go to the Nicholas Course. Lowest net, the net of 70. We have Glenn Abelion.
Glenn Abelion. Anong college, Glenn? Civil Law? Wow, Frankie. Nag-level up ka, Frankie.
And for the lowest gross of Nicholas Course, with a gross of 73.
Gross.
From the engineering department, Manzanares. College of Engineering,
Ed
Manzanares. The lowest gross, lowest net, Class A, B, C, and the guest division.
Okay, we go, before we draw the grand prize, we'd like to award the fun holes. Let's start guest drive on hole number 9. Fun hole. 332 yards. 332 yards. Ivan Buenaventura. Ivan. Medicine.
College of Engineering.
Engineering. Engineering. Palmer Course. Hole number 1. 1 foot from the line. 1 foot. And babae siya. She's a lady. Patricia, hindi, sorry. Most accurate drive. Erica Cesar. Guess, she's actually, CTHM. Pero wala pang team ng CTHM. So, nag-guess siya sa nearest to the pin, hole number 12. Palmer Course. 3 feet 9 inches. Gino Rosales.
For the Nicholas Course, we go to the longest drive. Men's Division, Enzo de los Reyes. 279 yards.
Glenn, nagkapalit kayo ng trophy ni Ed Manzanares.
Hole number 13. 1 foot 10 inches. Patricia Iza.
Yes!
Pinanoy nyo namin. Pinanoy namin. Most accurate drive. Hole number 11. 3 inches from the line, we have Fernando Baclet. Go!
Again, congratulations to all of the winners.
Romulo Lua.
Dr. Romulo Lua donates his 5,000 to the golf team.
Next, ano tayo?
Team Papa, donations.
Two winners of 10,000.
Very kind hearts. Thank you very much. Thank you.
2 winners, 10,000. First winner, we have
10,000.
Lorino Ramos.
Lorino Ramos.
Ruben Henson.
Donate.
Donate 10. Iba talaga para masaya.
Nasaan na si Dr. Henson?
Ayun.
Dr. Henson donates his 10,000 pesos to the UST golf team.
Okay.
So please join me in welcoming 2 of our high school golfers, Ray Manuel and Butch Gustavo, as we present these certificates of appreciation.
Fernando Manuel and Romel Butch Gustavo, as in grateful recognition of his outstanding dedication, sportsmanship, and the honor you have brought to the University of Santo Tomas as a student athlete. Your achievements continue to inspire excellence.
Idol ko yan kasi for those who don't know, Ian won back-to-back MVP and helped the men's volleyball team. He won twice. Yung isang championship, 14-0.
Not once, but twice.
So, ito yung binibigay.
Yeah, congratulations, Dr.
In
Ian.
grateful recognition of his outstanding dedication, sportsmanship, and honor you have brought to the University of Santo Tomas as a student athlete. Your achievements continue to inspire excellence and pride within the Tomasian community. Thank you for being a true ambassador for Alma Mater. Galing sa high school team, signed Associate Professor Jorin Rocamora and Mr. Clarence Aitona. Thank you very much.
Maraming salamat po sa pagbigay nyo sa akin ng plaque, especially our tournament director, Clarence Aitona, sa co-organizers ng Gian Laurel, at sa team high school. Maraming salamat. Mabuhay kayo. Sana po supportahan nyo ang basketball team natin, not just financially, kundi po yung parulog sa laro, pag-cheer nyo sa team natin.
Let me call on stage the Rector's Cup 8 Tournament Director, Dr. John Rodolfo D. Suwan from the College of Pharmacy.
So sila ang next host.
Sila ang next host.
For the Rector's Cup 8. Yeah.
Tough act to follow. Picture please, picture. Tough act to follow. Congratulations, Clarence, and good luck to Team Pharmacy led by Team Captain Dr. J.R. Suwan. Palakpakan natin ang Commerce at ang Pharmacy.
Congratulations. So, JR, call mo na rules here.
Congratulations, Dr. Suwan.
Congratulations, Dr. Suwan.
Clarence Aitona one last time.
Magandang hapon sa inyo lahat. So, on behalf of the organizers and the entire UST community, thank you so much for being here today. Your presence, generosity, and energy made this tournament not just a fun day of golf, but a meaningful show of support for our 800 plus UAE student athletes. These young Tomasians did their best for UST on the court, in the field, and in the classroom. And today, because of you, we're able to give back and help them continue chasing their dreams. Huge thanks as well to our sponsors.
To end up with the champion for the 7th Rector's Cup. At 10th place, Civillo. Frankie, ano nangyari? Commerce. Yay! 8th place, College of Architecture. 7th place, Accountancy. Okay. place. 6th place. Ang may trophy lang, 5th place pataas. 5th place pataas may trophy. 6th place, wala kayong trophy. College of High School.
Pero hindi na sila pala.
Wala ka rin, pare.
Pero hindi na kayo pala.
Wala ka rin, pare.
Pero at least, guys, hindi na kayo pala.
Wala ka rin. Runner-up or 5th place. 4th runner-up. Pagkakatin na, kasi may trophy na. And Father, maybe request you to award, Father. This is the most... Parents, wala pa rin.
Hoy, sino mga namumuno dyan? Alam mo, 1 point lang ni Greg to the Arsenal Letter. 417 sila, 416 pesos. High school is 416 points. Arts and letters, 417 points. Sayang! Wala ka doon, may count back. It's of arts and letters. 417 points.
By 1, Clarence, by 1.
By 1 now.
Runner-up.
With 420 points.
With 420 points. Sino pa mga namumuro? Sino pa mga namumuro? 3rd runner-up, 420 points. College of Science. College of Science.
Parang wala lang itong pista kasi.
Machine Engineering. Yan, tatlo. Namumuro. Okay, we would like to award every year the team that brought in the most number of players.
Yeah, most number of players.
High school, Coach Clarence, marami kang inibita. Medicine. Albert Paulino, please receive the award. Please receive the award in behalf of. Ikaw na muna. Albert Paulino.
So, Albert, congratulations. Ang lakas mo mag-imbita.
Ang lakas mag-imbita ni Albert.
Runner-up.
Second, runner-up.
Runner-up with 428 points. Goes to the College of Medicine.
Hoy, dalawa na na.
Engineering and
Pharmacy. Engineering and Pharmacy na lang. Medicine team.
College of Medicine.
Medicine team.
Medicine team. Congratulations, College of Medicine.
Medicine, most number of players, and second runner-up.
Congratulations, College of Medicine.
Team that I will mention is the first runner-up. And the second team I will mention are the team champions. Okay? First that I will mention is the first runner-up and the second is the champion. First runner-up of the 7th Rector's Cup with 433 points. First runner-up goes to College of Pharmacy. Champion, College of Engineering. 438 points ang engineering, 433 ang pharmacy. Sayang, 5 points.
for watching, guys. See you in my next video.